Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 20th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you would like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar never did end up making much of a move down. The pound is definitely still quite strong. Most of the other dollar pairs did at least make a little bit of a push down. I mean, looking at it now, it probably is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are sitting at a Fibonacci extension level. Now, it kind of depends on whether this right here is a 1 or an A. This a big ABC is either a B or a 2. If this really is a wave C, and that's an ABC, then this 100% potentially could hold. If this is actually a 1, 2, 3, which I do believe it is a 1, 2, 3, then likely this 100% will not hold. Maybe it will be an area of resistance, but most likely at the end of pullbacks, it will just keep on trending up if it really is a wave 3 and not a wave C. So we're just going to have to observe price. We're going to have to see how it reacts at this area, and we'll learn and earn together whether we're looking at a wave 3 or a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.